ZIMSEC Exam Paper Predictions 2025 Level History and Beyond. Potential topics for the 2025 History ZIMSEC exam paper are explored. Key themes and question styles that are likely to be encountered are also discussed.
Of 15 to 20 people and another group of 15 to 20 people, so they make sure that if they could gather enough food, they could share among themselves so that they cannot degrade the environment or they cannot kill more animals at once. And moreover, they dried the food for future use. If meat was dried, fruits also they hunted when necessary. For instance, they did not hunt on daily basis. More especially when they've killed a big game such as an elephant, they could spend days without going for another hunt as to sustain their forest with more animals and as economically sustainable. They poisoned the fish and they killed too many. And they pollute rivers. Economically, then socially, by being nomadism, they caused environmental degradation. And to what extent did the same way of life reflect a sustainable living, with the environment? To what extent did the same way of life reflect sustainable living with the environment? This is our June 2010. Remember, I've explained to you that on this mock exam, I've compiled several questions in order to come up with something tangible. So, the question demands candidates to review how the sun or to explore ways which proves that the same in their social and economic setup, they did not have politics, I think you know. In their social and economic setup, how the same proved that they were sustaining the environment. However, good candidates cannot forget to review how the same were not sustainable in their environment. So want to prove the facts. In this case, we have what we call sustainable here. In their sustenance economically, gonai ku group zvino ma examine anakirwe. Andika tine economic zvakati, social zvakati, akona kungomwaya ma point. Saka pa economic tine nyaya zipi? Hunting when necessary. I just want to explain just maybe 4 points, then another, because we don't have time to waste. Then what else? Did not kill pregnant animals. Yes, what else? Shared food communally. What else? Should economic. Dried food for future use. Then I just want to explain just 3 points. Because social writer say we have got natural family planning methods. What else? Nomadism. What else? Small group. All right. I just want to explain this point for you to have that. But we have done this question before. So, in our sustainable part, this is what we call affirmative side. I don't want my students akapusa anodzidzisa inini vanonzwa language yekunzi hanzi ye unoansa kwa zvakawandira. Ukatobata marking scheme izvezvi tikatotsvaga marking scheme ra 2010 kunenge kwangotanga kubvunzwa nequestion mapoints anenge ariko ndosaka pane 12 kureva kuti kana usinganzwisise di hako siya ikona uzotanzi unozotanga kwazvakawanda ivaiva ndeve mad masi kakuma a ndokunoko kwatakutaura ndizvo inini kana utori nemind dzeB uri kutorasika saka panapa tikuti economically the Sen proved that they were sustainable the environment because of they hunted when necessary. For instance, they did not hunt on daily basis. More especially when they've killed a big game such as an elephant. They could spend days without going for another hunt as to sustain their forest with more animals and as to sustain the animals for the future use. So this proved that these individuals, they were sustainable with the natural environment. Furthermore, they did not kill pregnant animals when they found them. They reserved these pregnant animals because they knew that as the animal is pregnant, they are going to give birth and it is going to be used in our food. Furthermore, they shared the food communally. For example, if they catch a big game, they could share amongst themselves because they live in a group of 15 to 20 people and another group of 15 to 20 people. So they make sure that if they could gather enough food, they could share among themselves so that they cannot degrade the environment or they cannot kill more animals at once. And moreover, they dried food for future use. If meat was dried, fruits and vegetables were dried so that they could spend more days utilizing what they have before searching for another. And very sustainable. Furthermore, on a social basis, they had natural family planning methods in order to reduce their population so that they could not become too many for the resources they get. Furthermore, they practice nomadism, that is, they move from one place to another. In case that they found that this area were utilizing this environment too much, they decided to move to another environment so that this environment could regain. And furthermore, they lived in small groups in order to limit the number of food, in order to limit the number of resources they use per day. This is you writing. On non-affirmative, you are not now writing they were not sustainable. Then in terms of hunting, they used the traps. So by having traps, sometimes when they move to another environment, these traps could be left alone and they kill animals which could not be utilized. Another one, economically sustainable. They poisoned fish and they killed too many and they pollute rivers. Economically, then socially, by being nomadism, they caused environmental degradation through pollution, through cutting down trees. And what else do you social provide? Soil erosion and through a deforestation. Motonyora question opera and don't know that. So for today we are done. Tomorrow we are going to explain another question.